Hulaan niyo kung nasaan ako ngayon. Yung nakikita mong like itong white space na 'to, ay naku sana hindi mahulog yung tripod. Pero nakikita mo 'tong white space na 'to, isa 'tong bodies of water. This is a lake, okay? And that is like, alam ko this is Baler already. So, ang ganda. How do you like the place here? It's good to breathe, it's good to be grateful. Ganda. And para ako nasa heaven. You see, kapag medyo parang fed up ka na sa buhay, meron akong tip sa'yo. Like, change your perspective. Yun yung tip eh. Like, hindi perspective in a way na parang we're trying to, or I'm trying to make an argument and I'm asking you to change your perspective. No, like, literally, with your eyes, like, change your perspective. Um, if lagi kang nasa bahay, if it's always the same routine, you cannot escape that because that's the same routine. So I know it will be hard for you to find a time from your week. It's not really gonna be hard. Madali nga lang yun eh. Kung schedule mo lang talaga na i-change mo yung perspective mo. Kasi tignan mo ngayon, right now, like this is a complete different perspective and it gives me a different way of thinking. Whatever you receive from your input, especially yung 'di ba, sense of sight, sense of smell, 'di ba yung five senses na yan dapat nililito mo siya sa mga nare-receive niya, eh. And this is a good way to parang i-break yung pattern of cycle, i-break yung pattern of routine. And minsan makikita mo na yung like yung tendency mo to fall towards negative emotion is just because nandun ka sa same routine na yon for so long. And I think just if you can just like see the wonders of the world again, this is just beautiful. Ang ganda. Sana nandito kayo ngayon, nakikita niyo kung ano yung nakikita ko. But it's just so beautiful. And to go here, like the entrance fee here is like just 30 pesos. See, this is just a 30 pesos and this is the view that you get. Para kang nasa, ewan, I would describe it heaven, pero hindi ko pa nakita yung heaven, but this is what heaven looks like for me. Ang ganda. Like, feeling ko hindi mawawala yung feeling of awe as long as tinatry mo siyang i-pursue. Alam mo yung feeling of awe, yung parang tumingin ka sa isang scenery tapos biglang, what the hell, I'm so small in this massive universe. That's what awe is eh. Yung parang ganun. Now, kung nandito ka, kung nasan ako ngayon, you will feel that. You will feel that awe. Because it is very easy for you to feel it. Because it's just so plain beautiful. And we are like blessed by the weather right now. Na it's 12 p.m. Just so you know, it's 12 p.m. Pero the sun is not here. It's very cold. And this just gives you a sense of calm. Dalhin mo dito kahit sinong tao, they will feel this sense of calm eh. So, maybe this is your sign to break your routine and go outside and see the wonders of the world. Grabe yung experience naman dito ah. Ganda ng view. Yung ganda ng ngayong nawala ko yung fear of speaking in front of the camera ko is pwede ko ma-document yung mga experience ko in a way na it's very authentic. Wala lang. I think that's something to be grateful to as well. So, Yun, naramdaman mo na ba yung feeling of awe? Yung parang naramdaman mo sobrang liit mo dito sa massive universe. Kung hindi mo pa, mararamdaman mo siya every time na you will look at the stars um, ng at least sabihin mong 7 days straight. Look at the stars. Like magkaroon ka ng open view sana if that's possible. Like an open view sa stars. When I say open view, parang kapag tiningala mo yung yung sarili mo sa taas, wala kang ibang makikita kundi stars. Alam mo yan, yung there's no parang magtatakip ng view. I don't know. I'm thinking of the word obstruction of view, but I could be wrong. Maybe it's not obstruction. Okay. Uh that's it, and have a beautiful morning. Um I-tour ko lang kayo sandali. Ayan yung view and everything. Ayan. Tapos meron silang view deck here. Pero kung titignan mo dito, dito kami ni Dre. Cakes, this is my wife. Smile. Ah, oh. Ang ganda ng view niya, guys. Tingnan mo yung view niya. Tingnan mo, nandyan siya. Sobrang liwanag. Tingnan mo naman dito. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Like, the show, chill lang. Smile, guys. Pang thumbnail. Yun ah.